Hello, I'm Alex, and welcome to Fabric Fundamentals, a course that I've put together that will give you an introduction to Microsoft Fabric, all of the workflows involved, and get you from beginner to professional over a space of 12 modules. So this first module is just an introduction to Microsoft Fabric. And this course is built for anyone who is just getting started with Microsoft Fabric, or anyone who wants to take the DP 600 or DP 700 exams, as we won't stray too far away from the Microsoft Learn material. So let's get started. So what is Microsoft Fabric? It is a unified end-to-end data analytics platform for both citizen and professional data practitioners. So it gives us a space for collaboration across businesses when it comes to our data estate. It's all very user friendly, so we can take people of all skilled levels and get them working together in this one platform. So we cover data engineering, data integration, data warehousing, real-time intelligence, data science, and of course business intelligence. And it's all tied together with one lake, our centralized data storage, where all workflows lead into the one place, so we've got no confusion as to where our data is. It's all built on a familiar platform with Azure Data Lake Storage, and it will support various formats. So we've got Delta, Parquet, CSV, and JSON. And it unifies data across all regions and clouds into the one single logical lake without moving or duplicating data. We enable that collaboration by eliminating the need to copy or move data between systems, so everyone knows exactly where everything is. And it's all works on the premise of Fabric workspaces. So we have these logical containers where we can organize and manage the data assets, the reports. We have, with workspaces, we have the resource separation. So we can assign workspaces for different projects or different departments. We have permission management when it comes to workspaces. So we've got our own set of permissions there, and we can ensure that only authorized users can view any content in there. We support collaboration by enabling the teams to work in a central place while maintaining the access control required. We can also manage that compute resource. So we have Fabric capacities, which we'll come on to in a later module. And workspaces allow us to identify who can have what amount of compute. There's also Git integration. So we support version control by publishing to Git. So we've got the change tracking, code collaboration, and history maintenance. The OneLake catalog is where all of our users are going to see their data assets. So everything that they have access to in one pane of glass. So we've got a centralized view for the individual's data estate, and we can get insights into sensitivity labels, the item metadata, and how fresh the data is. We're supporting data governance analysis and monitoring, and we can provide the actionable guidance for improving governance. So this allows us to pass on the responsibility of managing a data estate to the individual. Obviously we have administrators that will do the majority of the work, but it is in today's age it's everyone's responsibility to manage data, so this enables that. The administration and governance, we've got centralized governance and collaboration. OneLake ensures that all of the data is secured and governed in one place, and the users can easily find and access their data that they need. It promotes open collaboration across teams, so we're sure that everything is secure and everyone has access to the specific data that they need. We've got centralized administration via the admin portal, where we can manage the groups and permissions, configure data sources and gateways, monitor usage and performance metrics, and allow access to Fabric admin APIs and SDKs for automation and integration. Now, this is the big piece in Microsoft Fabric. This is collaboration. So we have a space where everyone can work on their role in the data. So it used to be that if we were working with Azure, there was a lot of disparity between the systems. Now we've got the one platform where we can have data engineers using pipelines for automated and scheduled data workflows, storing data in lakehouses in Delta Parquet, and performing the complex transformations with notebooks. Analytics engineers are curating and maintaining the high quality of the data assets in lakehouses and building the semantic models for Power BI and for data visualization. The data analysts are using data flows for upstream transformations, and they can connect directly to One Lake via direct lake mode. And again, we'll come on to these in later modules. We can create interactive Power BI reports more efficiently. And data scientists can use the integrated notebooks with Python and Spark. They can store their data in lakehouses and integrate with Azure Machine Learning for model deployment. Then we've got low and no code users. So anyone who is interested in data, needs to do a basic transformation, needs access to a table specifically. If they want to get started in Power BI, we've got access for those users, so everything is very user friendly. We can discover the data assets in the One Lake catalog, and they can use Power BI templates and data flows for quick reporting and simple ETL tasks. And Fabric workloads, we have a number of workloads in one place. So data engineering, where we can create lakehouses and operationalize workflows to build, transform, and share the data estate. Data factory, so we have those pipelines where we can ingest, transform, and orchestrate data. Data science, so we can detect trends and identify outliers and predict values using machine learning. Data warehouse, where we can store everything for the highest performance, and we've got databases, so we can create and manage databases just as you would a SQL estate. Then we've got industry solutions, so out of the box industry data solutions. We've got access to a multitude of things here. Real-time intelligence, so we can process, monitor, and analyze streaming data. And of course, Power BI, where we can just create the reports and dashboards and visualize all those all that work we've been doing in the background, so they can make those data-driven decisions. And of course, with everything, we've got Copilot, so across all of those workloads. So with the data engineering and data science, we've got code suggestions, automation, and templates for pipelines and insights. Data factory, we've got AI-powered transformations and code explanations for all user levels. SQL and data warehouse, we can convert that plain language into SQL for intelligent query support. Power BI, auto report creation, page summaries, enhanced Q&A, and natural language insights. And real-time intelligence, where we can translate natural language into KQL. And this is only growing, it's only getting better. So the Copilot usage will rapidly increase the productivity of any team working with this product. So that's it. So in a nutshell, Microsoft Fabric, the unified data platform. So we're going to be learning a lot about that in modules to come. The next module will be lakehouses, and we'll include a practical there to show you how to use the lakehouse, how to get data in there, and really start working with Microsoft Fabric. So I hope you've enjoyed this module. Give it a like, comment below if there's anything in particular that you want to see, and I'll catch you in the next module. Thank you.